I hope you enjoyed your long weekend. If you're like most Americans, you probably had hot dogs yesterday as we kicked off the unofficial start to summer. If you have a few dogs left over, grilled or not, we have an easy way to turn them into a fill-you-up casserole that is comfort at its best. The first thing we want to do is cut about 8 hot dogs into half-inch chunks. As I said, these can be ones that have already been grilled or right out of the package. Now, we add those to a couple cans of chili, along with some chopped onion. After mixing this well, we sprinkle it with lots of cheddar cheese. To make this a real showstopper, we top this with a package of refrigerated biscuits that we've cut up and tossed with butter before popping it in the oven. This is the perfect dish to turn those leftover hot dogs into a hearty summertime casserole that's always welcome. When this comes out of the oven, smothered with cheese and topped with buttery biscuits, it's nearly impossible to resist. The recipe for what we call chili dog bubble bake is online now and is one of those recipes that you're going to want to hold on to all summer long. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a comforting summertime way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Delish? You like that canned chili routine?